accumulate as many as points. Mind you, 10 points each for one successful planting there. And the balls that you see in green zone, that is the area number 2, you can throw those balls into area number 3, only as many as saplings you have planted successfully.
And the match has started between both the teams that we see right now. We have Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology from Surat and JSPM's Rajshri Shahu College of Engineering from Tathawade, Pune. And from what we see from here, both the teams having very clear strategies, and the blue team literally racing like a rabbit to get that start. They have all replanted 2 seedlings and are on their way to plant 2 more, while similarly the red team also in tandem out there. Both the teams going neck to neck. 4 seedlings have been planted so far into the holes. This looks to be a close one so far, but sigh for the blue team because one of the seedlings has fallen off from the holes, which will not be counted. So 3 in favor of blue right now and 4 in favor of red. And we have the robots of both the teams respectively aiming for more. Blue successfully planting 2 more seedlings out there into the hole, while we see red also making that effort to plant 2 more. And yes, they've been able to do that also, while blue is on a different mission altogether. So far, they've been able to plant a total of 7, while red has also progressed to planting 7. The blue team now moving Akshay into the second zone, which is the green zone, to see if they can take it from there. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining.
Sakshi, just got the feeling that the team in blue from Pune has taken Sardar Vallabhbhai Institute of Technology by surprise there. Look at their consistency. Look at their beautiful placing. So 9 seedlings placed already. 2 more into their kitty, and they have accumulated 110 points from area 1, whereas as far as team in red is concerned, they are just marginally short by 1 planting. So 100 and 110 as far as area 1 is concerned, as they successfully move on to area number 2. Nice throw from there. The automatic robot has thrown. Just a reminder to our viewers that initially the first ball that has to be picked has to be the purple one, and they cannot come back to purple. It has to be the other color, that is red. So those 2 balls have to be picked up and thrown into the third area alternatively. There you go, the second one in team in red, looking good. Surat, the Sardar Vallabhbhai team is trying to compensate the time and the point that they're lagging behind as far as area 1 is concerned. But what a great throw there from team blue as well. Rajshri Shahu College of Engineering, Pune, giving it a good fight out there, throwing successfully. Already 5 balls into the zone there, and look at that. I like the way the bot is moving, Sakshi. I really like the way it's very smooth, very swift, and the accuracy is also there.
Yes, and this is, of course, the 4th match that has happened, and finally it looked to be a game, a strong match, evenly contested between 2 very strong oppositions. And this is the kind of games we want to witness happening, where both the opponents give each other a tough fight, and this will go down the wire, Akshay, because this turned out to be one good match to witness, because both the teams advanced from the first zone into the second zone, and thereby were able to also install those balls and aim for their targets moving into the third zone. So we'll have to wait and see who gets the winning points